And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, notice how the clouds, the rainfall, all originating way up here to our northwest. This is one deep trough. It goes all the way down to the Gulf Coast. It's much deeper than it looked last week. So all the cold air is sunk in. And then we're going to track this little Alberta clipper. So the cold air is in place. We've got a clipper coming in from the northwest. All this spells kind of a showery election day and pretty cold too. 45 the high. Winds will be to the southeast to south, 10 to 15 miles an hour. After a frosty start with 26, it'll be a slow climb to those 40s with shower coverage about 25% at noon and then around 45% later on the day. So kind of an off and on shower regime. So getting wetter with time tomorrow afternoon. And then the clipper that comes through our area tomorrow will combine with another one on the East Coast and blow up a monster storm in North and South Carolina that will ride up the coast and pull the cold air in here. So we got 2 days that are going to be pretty chilly around here before it turns much warmer once we head for the upcoming weekend. But tonight, though, 20s area-wide. Have the frost scraper handy in the morning. 26 Lafayette, 25 at Frankfort, even 24 Peru, and 26 at Attica after a morning we had low to mid-20s this morning. Tomorrow, low to mid-40s. Chilly day, 44 Frankfort, 45 Lafayette, 43 Kokomo, and 45s Fowler down to Attica, also Waveland and Odell. And still chilly on Wednesday, kind of breezy, low to mid-40s, 45 Crawfordsville, up towards New Richmond, Romney, Linden, Lafayette, and 44 Camden, Flora, and Burlington. So tomorrow morning, some cloudiness starting to move in with a heavy frost, a little fog in places, and then we turn overcast pretty quickly. There's noon. A couple showers may try to sneak in at that point, but then once we get into the afternoon and evening, you get the idea here, a scattering of showers around. A few scattered showers in our eastern counties, 11 or 12 o'clock tomorrow night, but those get out of here, and then we're looking at a mostly cloudy start to Wednesday, and a lot of clouds Wednesday, a little sun peeking through at times with the chilly temperatures and the big East Coast storm blowing up. This is kind of how it looked last week, mainly us on the warm side, but this trough is very deep. Notice all the cold air moving deep into the southern U.S., and this is kind of the general pattern right here. We're going to see that storm blow up right here, right up the coast, keep us chilly, but flooding, rainfall, a lot of wind and heavy snow along the East Coast. Again, the only factor for us, we'll have a few showers tomorrow, and the only thing this is going to do is bring clouds and wind as we get into Wednesday, and then much warmer. Big powerhouse storm bring rain and storms by next week, but the key word is warm. Notice in the 7-day forecast, here comes the warmth after 2 chilly days in the mid-40s. We're looking at 60s again. Friday, 63. Saturday and Sunday, 67. And then by Monday, here comes the big storm with rain and storms. 64 for the high, and severe weather threat may get as close as parts of Illinois as another big autumn storm affects our area. But boy, kind of raw tomorrow and pretty raw on Wednesday, and then it gets much better.
That's great. Well, speaking of getting better,